welcome to Sarah's Stampin' Retreat. Today I'm just coming on to tell you about some exciting news. So as you've probably guessed from the description, I am leaving Stampin' Up. Now this is not anything negative to do with Stampin' Up at all. I absolutely love the Stampin' Up products, as you all know if you've been following me. The only problem is that my demonstrator contract means that I can't show you any projects that I'm making with different brands because if you're a Stampin' Up demonstrator, your contract means that you can't work with other brands, and there are a lot of other brands that I really love out there. So I've decided to step back from Stampin' Up so that I can focus on sharing lots of different products with you from other brands as well. So I hope that you'll all follow along. The format of my channel won't be changing, so there'll still be a ton of crafty inspiration for those of you that are here for that. And I know that there's some Stampin' Up demonstrators that follow along as well for ideas with Stampin' Up products. But I would say there's a lot of different ideas that you can translate into your Stampin' Up product. So I hope that you'll follow along for the journey as well. The other news that I'm really excited about is that I've been accepted onto the Ultra New Certified Educator Programme. So the Ultra New Educator Programme is a bunch of classes that you take and then you get assessed on them, and if you pass you become an Ultra New Certified Educator, which just means that you're able to teach Ultra New classes and work with them a little bit more closely. I'll pop a link in the description below for anyone that wants to learn more about that. So I'll be sharing lots of projects that I do for that along the way as well. And actually my first video tomorrow is going to be an Ultra New video. But it's not all going to be about Ultra New. I'm going to be sharing things from a load of different brands. So I'd love if you pop your favourite brands or techniques you want to learn, anything that you'd like me to cover over the next few months. Pop it in the comments below and I'll be sure to cover as many of them as I can. I'm really excited to be branching out into new products, and I really hope you're excited to join me and come along for the ride. So I'll see you tomorrow with a 5 ways with layering stamps video using Ultra New products, and then over the coming weeks I've got videos using Spellbinder's Glimmer Machine, Pink Fresh Studios products. I've got all sorts lined up, so stay tuned to come along for the ride. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.